All right, hello and welcome. So this is the day after I did this presentation for the Red Team Association in Seattle, Washington. And I didn't get to show the testing piece, so I'm just going to record it now. So go into Proxmox and we're going to go down to Workshop. I just have a basic lab, so it's just an AD, a Windows 11 joined to that AD, and a Kali box. So to get to say the Kali box, let's see here. Go to summary, grab the IP address, and we'll use VNC at port 8444. All right, that looks like that worked. So with the Active Directory in Windows 11, I'll go ahead and check out this thing that I have for RDPing to it. So let me go down to the workshop area that I have. And that is this area. So we'll go to, go to the AD. I'll just double click on it. It'll open up. And right now it's red. Red means that it has access to the internet. It's not in testing mode. So if you want to install an application and you want to test against it, like fuzz it or do a pen test against it or what have you, you could. However, the scenario that we will show today is to go ahead and snapshot this with, say, your application or whatever you want to do to pen test. And then we can go ahead and pen test against it. And then once we're done, we can roll it back to the same thing that it was, say, with all the app stuff on there. And then we can fuzz it again or pen test it again. And then we can roll it back. We can keep on doing it for as much as we need to do it. So let's see. Let me also open this one. Right. So let me go back here. So we have both the desktops open. This is the DC here. This is the Windows here. And on the Ludus command line, so if we go into the Ludus server, I can do Ludus testing start user workshop 1. I can press enter. This won't take too long, but I'll make this smaller. What you should see, though, is these backgrounds will turn green, which means the internet has been turned off. So if you're testing, say, an EDR bypass, the evidence will not get leaked out to the EDR cloud, let's say. Or if you're doing fuzzing, you can do fuzzing in this nice, cool snapshot area. And then when you're done, roll it back. So this says that the testing has started. So soon we'll see this turn green. But before we do, let me go in here and let me show you the snapshot area. So here is the snapshot that happened and was created. Here's another snapshot. All right, so if we go back here, as you can see, these backgrounds turn green. So that means we can go ahead and do our testing. So if I go in here and I go ahead and, oh, geez, there's all this stuff. Yikes. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have a browser on Active Directory anyways. But let's see, google.com, and we cannot get to it as expected. So if I do PowerShell and ping 8.8.8, as you can see, we can't get to it. So no internet. So we can go ahead and do all of our testing that we need to. Once we're done testing, though, we can almost do the same command. Except replace start with stop. So I'll go ahead and say stop. At this point, we've concluded our testing and we're rolling back to the last snapshot, which is our clean state, our gold image, whatever you want to call it, prior to testing. So this doesn't take very long either, but we'll go ahead and, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and replace the background. Well, it's doing a snapshot right now, or rolling back. So that's why we're actually seeing what we're seeing. So if I go back here, go into snapshots, still rolling back, as you can see down here. And as you can see on the screen, they are red. Well, mostly. So it's back to, the snapshots are mostly back. And it says it has stopped. So it is done. So there, it's red. Great, so that's it. That's testing in Ludus. I hope this was beneficial. And if you have any questions, let me know via Discord or what have you. So that is it for now. I hope you had a good time. Hope this helped. And I'll see you at the next meeting.